really ain't it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a really exciting but really terrifying day. So pretty much the scoop is I am moving 7 hours away from where I was born and raised and heading off to college. So my two divorced parents are gonna be moving me up there. It's gonna be a disaster. So it is currently 8 a.m. and I have most of my stuff packed up. I just gotta throw in the last few minute things and we're gonna head off. We're gonna load up the cars and go. I really don't know how to feel right now. It's so weird. I'm moving away for the first time ever. I'm not ready to be an adult, but I needed a change. So pretty much I'm gonna be bringing you guys along the journey of us driving there, and I'm gonna take you guys inside my new apartment for us to set up the entire room. If you wanna keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool college content that is definitely gonna be coming soon. So we should make it to my school by around 2 to 3 and we'll set everything up. Stay tuned. I'm gonna miss you so much, little fatso. What did you diagnose yourself with?
Empty nest syndrome.
Oh, Dad. At least my eyes look pretty. I really should have known I was setting myself up for disaster when I didn't have anything to eat on 4 hours of sleep.
We are always running for the thrill of it, always pushing up the hill, searching for the thrill of it.
We've got 4 hours to go. I just made the second stop. I just put gas in my car while it was on, so you can probably tell where my head's at right now. I'm not doing well, I'm not functioning. And my mom is being a bitch and she's making me drive the entire way. Yeah, so I have another agonizing 4 hours to go. My back's killing me because I'm like a 90-year-old woman inside, and that's about it. Really fun. So we lost 30 minutes because we're stuck in all this traffic. Fucking fuck! I hate this drive so much, it's too much for me. I might have to have my third mental breakdown today. I might have to just do it. Might have to just do it on him. Okay, but all I have to say is the Uber Eats possibilities to my apartment are endless, and I'm gonna definitely gain the freshman 15 and maybe the freshman diabetes. I should have like been there in 40 minutes, but no. Now I got an hour and 40 minutes left. Oh, my back is broken. This is awful. I wish I had a Tesla. It could just drive itself. I don't know. I don't know. My brain isn't working right now. I can't do this no longer. I don't know how much longer I can push myself. We passed Ocala and I picked up an exit. We're gonna crack me a cold one. And that's that. I like think I'm close and then my GPS goes,
for 88 miles, go straight.
Like, are you fucking kidding me? Yeah. Right, so we made it. Here's my new apartment.
It's a dorm room. I thought I had. I went all the way to the beginning and stretched everything around, but because
you gotta pull this corner out.
What? Did you know?
And you gotta pull our corner the other one.
I was just, that was my second time
Let me
around.
coach you.
I'm not doing laps. I know how to put on a sheet. I need to.
Wait a minute. Obviously, you don't let her put on the sheet. You're asking. Are you asking for help to put on the sheet?
Yeah.
So you don't know how to put on the sheet. You're unable to put on the sheet.
Yes. So the man hands.
You need a man. Normally, this is a man's job. You need a man's hand to make a bed. What happens if this man don't make beds?
You're not making the beds made.
This man don't hunt. You can't make her bed. We're here at college. You can't make that bed.
Nasty little bit about it.
We can't make this up. Are you gonna be able to make the bed or not?
When I get out of the clothes that I
Peed on? Earpods.
don't want you near that window. No, I'm not joking.
I'm not gonna fall out the window.
Michelle, the jumping escapades are closed. I'm soaking. I'm gonna pass out. You don't understand. See, look, making your bed with the pull out. Right? Redhead. Pulls out window. That's you. That's you making bed.
So we just about almost finished up my room. We kind of took a break. We needed food immediately. It was necessary. We're dying here.
We're hungry.
Dying.
7-hour drive.
How did you get that
Maybe 8, right? 8. All right, listen, this is done. When we get home, you take that cap.
The neutral food. Simba grew up on the neutral food. This one should be on the neutral food.
You take
And
that's why she died.
Zephyr Hills, yeah, she was 19. Cats don't live that long. This one's going to be 12, so she won't make it. Catch it back here until this hand, it gives it a really good. Are you on Tinder?
Listen, there's no reason for you to have a knife in your hand. Eat your
I'm
hamburger.
cutting my burger. Give it to me. Can I have it, please?
No,
This is so good.
I need to cut my burger.
it's dangerous.
I need to catch
Then
it.
stop swinging the knife around.
I'm just kidding. Can you get the lady, please?
I'm serious stuff.
Stuff that I needed for my room, just like the
Deodorant.
basics. Roll out.
Okie dokie.
Yes, we got that down. We just got the basic stuff and then like literally a ration of food for me to survive off of until I actually go grocery shopping. Wow. Hi.
You have everything wrong for yourself. So don't put yourself in any stupid risks or anything. Don't drink and get all fucked up and get attacked by a bunch of college kids. Stop this smoking the weed, and that's it. Okay?
Hey.
I love you. Oh, you're great.
Oh God. Why do you have to cry? You're making me cry. Don't cry.
There's nothing to cry about. I'm excited for you. Do the right thing. Don't drink and drive around here and stuff like that. I love you so much. If anything, we'll come back and get you.
Okay.
Break it down, bitch. Let me see you back it up. Drop that ass down low and pick that motherfucker up.
Wow, I'm not a robot. Who would have known? Okay, wait, you found a rock.
You said yours.
What do you mean?
Say yours.
Is there a ghost? Okay, go to the right.
Wait, what?
It's like stuck on the wall now.
What? It's the first thing you're gonna lose a security card.
Really slanted.
Yes, no.
Is it? Oh, just, yeah, it is.
It was weird, we were keep snapping.
Alright, so I just woke up in my new room. It is almost completely done, and I'm gonna do a room tour soon. So I guess I'll just end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to subscribe, click that button, and give this video a like so that you can stick around for more college videos to come.
We are always always running for the thrill of it, thrill